My name is Haley. I'm here to talk to you today about my project on the feeding of yeast nucleotides through the product MaxiGen Plus to broiler chickens challenged with Eimeria. So, as you all know, the disease coccidiosis is caused by the pathogen Eimeria and cost the industry more than $3 billion in damage yearly through decreased growth performances and increased susceptibility to secondary bacterioenteric diseases such as necrotic enteritis. This is a brief overview of how coccidiosis may cause damage, where the intestinal damage may lead to increased plasma proteins leakage into the lumen and increased mucogenesis. This may allow for the binding of other secondary bacteria such as Clostridium perfringens that may then lead to necrotic enteritis. One suggested reason as to why this may occur is the underdeveloped gut of the chick. And to prevent this, we propose that supplementation of yeast nucleotides may help, as de novo synthesis of nucleotides in young chicks may be insufficient, and yeast nucleotides also have a known effect on gut health, function, and immunity. So for my first trial, we ran a brief trial for 17 days, with the pre-challenge period from day 0 to 10, and on day 10, the chickens were challenged with 2 species of Eimeria, A. cerveolina and Maxima, and there was a dissection on day 15 for histomorphology and intestinal lesion scoring. There was also excreta collection from day 14 to 17 for oocyst per gram counts. Bird weights were taken weekly along with feed intake measurements. We found that coccidiosis challenge was effective in challenging the gut, as evidenced by intestinal lesions and oocyte shedding found only in the challenged birds. There was also a significant decrease in body weight gain. So one of the significant effects we found in yeast was the improved body weight gain from 158 grams per bird in control birds to 170 grams per bird in the yeast supplemented birds. We also found effects in histomorphology. On your left, you see a picture of healthy villi, and on the right, you see the picture of damaged villi caused by coccidiosis. In challenged birds, we found there was a significant decrease in villi height, and interestingly enough, with yeast supplementation, in healthy birds, we actually found decreased villi height, and in challenged birds, we found increased villi height compared to the non-supplemented birds. This is interesting, as body weight gain was improved overall by yeast supplementation, regardless of what the villi height was telling us. This may have an effect overall on digestibility and nutrient utilization in the bird. So in conclusion, we found that yeast nucleotide supplementation had a short-term effect on performance and histomorphology. This leads us to our next step, which is to look at the long-term effects of yeast nucleotide supplementation, as we find that with the short-term effects that we have seen already, it may have more implications on the long-term performance. We will be examining performance effects, gut integrity, and immune function, along with changes in the microbiome. I'd like to thank the sponsors from CBS and CERC and OMAFRA, and along with the help from Dr. Chiari's lab and the Arkel Research Station. Thank you.